yes. What's up, guys? Happy opening day 2015. Rifle season up here in Montmorency County, Michigan. We listened to a little Fred Bear on the way here, rocking out in my head still. Heard about a dozen shots so far. I just saw my first doe up on the ridge. Going away from me, so no shot, but 150 yards away. It's very quiet though, so I'm gonna wrap this up and get back to hunting. Meh. He's down, Lordy. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. 8-point down, baby. Yes. Open in morning. Oh man. Put it up. I'm pretty sure I heart shot him. Double lunged him, something like that. Oh, I think I got him on film. Oh, that is a good buck for up here, guys. Antler point restrictions going on up here. I saw 3 on one side. I know that'll do. Oh, yes! Good buck. He came. I don't know what the heck was I doing. I don't know what I was doing, but I think I was looking behind me and I turned. He was coming right down the hill, right in front of me. And he stopped out here for probably 2 minutes. And then he was right behind a tree. I couldn't get a shot. I couldn't see what he was. He started walking again. I saw 3 on one side. Yes! Yes! Mwah! Haven't killed a deer with my 7 mag in forever. My grandpa gave me this gun. He just passed last year. I'd like to say he's looking down on me right now, that's for sure. Him and God. I just said a little prayer about 5 freaking minutes ago. Man! And I got a buck on the ground. Yes. Text my brother. Buck down, text, baby. Yes. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna sit tight. I have 2 more tags for up here, another buck tag and a doe tag, so here we go. We'll get you on the recovery in a few. Oh, I got lungs already shooting out right here. This, go forward or back. Just follow the butcher, follow us. You're doing awesome, Chippy. Oh Look at, is that already low stuff? Nice. 7 point. Got it. Very happy with this guy right here, man. Good job. Thank you very much, man. Thank you. Jiggy. Alright, let's start getting him up out of here, huh?